Hi there, my name is Scott Kaffer. I'm Chief Flight Dispatcher over at Air Canada. I work in the technical side of things, working with their different software vendors. I'm also a licensed flight dispatcher within Canada for both Air Canada Mainline and Rouge. So I work on the floor with all of our applications as a end user, but I also work in the back room with our software vendors and talking to our representatives. And my representative here at LSY is Ariadna Koss, and she's been nothing but amazing for us. Every interaction that we have with the LSY team is very positive. They're willing to help. They're friendly. It's an incredible experience, and I've only been in this role for about a year now, and I have nothing but positive things to say about the interactions, because it's been great. Lido Flight itself is nice. It's a transparent application to us. It's everything about the flight is laid out to us in a very nice and easy to read manner. Obviously, it takes some technical knowledge. It's not something you pick up day one, but once you're familiar with the application and familiar with the flight as a dispatcher, I find it myself very intuitive to use and a very it allows for a lot of customization. It allows for the dispatcher to really put their imprint on the flight and use it in such a way that they can look for improvements, and they can look for cost saving opportunities right within the application while they're working on the flight. Within Canada, we don't rely on a lot of the automation in the same way that I've learned that a lot of the European carriers do. The dispatcher, even for a short haul flight, is responsible for manually calculating the flight plan rate from the beginning all the way to when the flight ends. They're there every step of the way. Similar to the Europeans, but maybe we handle the flight planning process a little bit differently. The optimizer and the way Lido Flight works with us through that manual process. I say manual, but obviously there's quite a bit of automation still happening. It's very useful and very helpful to the dispatcher to make sure that we're putting out a good product. And we put a lot of faith into the Lido Flight application, and the faith is well placed. It gives us a good product every time. I definitely recommend using Lido Flight for other airlines. There, it's very transparent. It's very easy to use once you're trained on it and up and running, and it really helps to identify cost savings, flight time savings, fuel savings, whatever you're looking for savings in for. It makes that information very transparent to you.